Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to our class for today. For the third intermediate grade, our subject is English language from the book Super Goal 6. For the second semester of this year, our lesson for today is Unit 1, Writing. This presentation is prepared by Bushra Al-Sabi. Thank you very much, Teacher Bushra. And it will be presented by me, Sultan Al-Shahrani. So, at first, I want to welcome all of you. Thank you very much for being with me. And the second thing that I want to make sure that you are ready to begin our lesson for today. So, are you ready to begin? Are you ready to begin our lesson? Excellent. Let's go. Okay. We have some objectives that we have to achieve today. In this lesson, we are going to, number one, or the first one, learn how to put strange coincidence events in order. Number two, use some tenses in writing a paragraph. The third one, write about a chance meeting. Okay. The first thing is the warm-up, as usual. So it says, rearrange the following words. Excellent. So we have a few words here and we want to rearrange it to put it in the correct order. Okay. So what do you think? What is the first thing that we should put in the beginning of the sentence? Can you rearrange it? Can you give me the sentence from these words? Make a sentence. What do you think? What is the first one? The first thing that we have to write? You know it. What is it? The title. Okay. I want to rearrange. Very nice. When we want to write a paragraph, yes, maybe we have to decide a title, but we want to rearrange this sentence. Let's put it in the correct order. For example, I will give you the first one. I'll give you the hint. Okay? I should say, I was, yes, I was shopping around the garage sale. Very nice. It's a beautiful beginning. Let's write it. I was, okay, shopping around the garage sale. Okay. Okay. Can you continue? What else? What should we write after that? Garage sale? Should we use suddenly? Suddenly something happened. Suddenly, yes. Okay, suddenly. Let's write it. Okay, like this. Okay, suddenly what? What do you think? Suddenly something happened. What is it? Something happened to me. Someone. Okay, very nice, beautiful. But before someone, where is the subject? I should write the subject. I heard someone. Exactly. Thank you, Muhammad. Excellent. Amin Taqi. Okay. So suddenly, I heard someone. Okay, someone what? What do you think? Shout. Okay, we can say call. Very nice. Call. Call what? The last thing. What do you think? My name. Very nice. Excellent. Then full stop. Excellent. Thank you very much. So, you know, the full stop, it should be here at the end. It should be here. This is the full stop, okay? I was shopping. Okay. Let's just change. I want just to change the full stop if I can. No, it's okay. It's okay, no problem. So, I was shopping around the garage sale. Suddenly, I heard someone call my name. Very nice. Then full stop. Excellent. Very much. Thank you very much, all of you. Thank you very much. Excellent. Okay, let's go to the next. So this is the answer, your beautiful answer. I was shopping around the garage sale. Suddenly, I heard someone call my name. Very nice. Okay. When we write, this is the right-hand corner. So in this corner, we will learn some tenses that we can use in writing. So we will talk about tenses. The past, maybe the present. Okay. The tenses about chance meeting or strange coincidence. Let's see. The first thing. Okay, number one. Use the past progressive. What is the past progressive? Was or were. Okay, plus verb, then ing. For example, was walking. Okay, use the past progressive, this one, to talk about actions that were in progress when, this is very important, when another past event happened. So, past event happened. While it's happening, another thing is happening, okay? So, actions that were in progress when another past event happened. For example, I was walking around the campus. Okay, I was walking around the campus when suddenly I heard, this is the past. I heard someone call my name. So, I have two actions. Okay, I heard someone call my name when I was walking at the same time. Is it okay for you? Is it clear? I was playing. Very nice. Okay, it's a beautiful sentence, but you have to say I was playing football. When, for example, when I saw Ahmed. I was playing football when I saw. So is the past of see. Very nice, beautiful, excellent. Let's go to the second. Number two, use simple past to talk about completed past events. This is very important. Completed past events. For example, suddenly I heard. We said that. I heard someone call my name yesterday. Maybe before 2 days. Maybe the last month. I turned around. Also, this one in the past. I played. Excellent. Yes, it is. Very good. Like I played. I wrote. The past of write. Excellent. Number three. Okay. Use the past perfect. What is the past perfect? This is the past perfect. Had plus past participle. For example, what is the past participle of write? What do you think? The past participle of write. Do you know it? The past participle of written. Excellent. Yes, it is. So, write is the base form. Wrote is the past. Written is the past participle. Excellent. Very nice, beautiful. So, use the past perfect. This is the past perfect. Had plus past participle to talk about, this is very important, an action that happened before another action in the past. Yes, exactly. As you said, V3. We call it sometimes the third verb. Okay, for example, I hadn't seen. Okay, this is had, and this is seen. Seen is the past participle of, what do you think? Seen is the past participle of Excellent. C. Yes, it is. Okay, let's continue. I hadn't seen him in 5 years because his family, oh, this is another one. His family had moved to the United States. Also, moved is the past participle of move. Very nice. Excellent. Is it okay? Excellent. Yes, it is. Move. Beautiful. Is it okay now? This one? Is it okay? Okay, let's move on. Very nice. Excellent. Beautiful. So now, yes, what do we have? We have writing now. So it says, read about a coincidence. Number the paragraphs in the correct order. Oh, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 paragraphs. We want to put them in the right order. Okay, let's read it quickly. Let's read them quickly. One afternoon, I was walking around the campus looking for a place to eat lunch when suddenly I heard someone call my name. I turned around. "You're Sian, aren't you?" said a familiar voice. The second one. The three of us went for lunch that afternoon, and Mike and I did a lot of catching up. Since then, I hang out with them and Lee almost every day. Let's continue. I arrived here in Chicago 2 months ago as an exchange student. During my first week at the college, everything was still a bit confusing. I felt lonely most of the time. Sure, I had met a few students in my classes, but I hadn't made any friends yet. Mike, what are you doing here in Chicago? It took me a second to realize who it was. To my surprise, it was my cousin, Mike. I hadn't seen him in 5 years because his family had moved to the US, United States. He was with Lee, a student in one of my classes. The last one. Well, I live in Chicago and I'm studying economics here at the college. When Lee told me there was an Irish student in one of his classes, I had no idea it was you. What a small world. Okay, so now, what do you think? Which one is the first paragraph? I'll go back a little bit. So, what do you think? Which one? Which one? Give me just the first word. Is it 1 or the 3? I arrived. Mike. It took. Well, are you sure? One afternoon? Excellent choice. It's okay. It's acceptable. But you know there is a paragraph before that. What do you think? Which one? Excellent. This one, the third one. You mean the third one? Okay. This one. So, let me use the pen. Okay, this is excellent. This is number 1. Excellent. Very nice. I arrived. Okay, number 2. Okay. Number 2. Excellent. One afternoon. Very nice. Where is it? Let's go back to one afternoon and let's write number 2. Very nice. Number 3. What do you think? Which one? Excellent. It took. It took. Very good. This is number 3. Number 4. Number 4. Mike. This is number 4. Okay, if you want me to go back. We said this is number 4. Okay, and this is his cousin Mike. After that, Mike, what are you doing here in Chicago? So this is good. Number 4. What about number 5? Yes, number 5. Excellent. This is number 5. And the last one, number 6. The 3. Excellent. Yes, it is. This is number 6. Okay. Very nice. So, now, let's read it again quickly. I arrived here in Chicago 2 months ago as an exchange student. Let's write only the 2 or the 3, the first 2 or 3 paragraphs, just to see. I want you just to see how it's correct now. As an exchange student, during my first week at the college, everything was still a bit confusing. I felt lonely most of the time. Sure, I had met a few students in my classes, but I hadn't made any friends yet. One afternoon, I was walking around the campus looking for a place to eat lunch when suddenly I heard someone call my name. I turned around. "You're Sian, aren't you?" said a familiar voice. It took me a second to realize who it was. To my surprise, it was my cousin Mike. I hadn't seen him in 5 years because his family had moved to the US. He was with Lee, a student in one of my classes, and so on. So now it's in the perfect order. So now, can you organize the paragraphs? Can you put it in the right order? Is it easy for you now? Excellent. Very nice. Beautiful. So those are the answers, the beautiful answers that you gave me. Thank you very much for helping me. Okay, now I want you to write. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to choose one of them and write a simple paragraph about chance meeting using these pictures. We have perform Umrah, sit next to, a girl, start conversation, best friends, call every week. For example, one student, I was performing Umrah. Choose the first one, performing Umrah. And he wrote, let's see, I was performing Umrah in Mecca. I want you to see how is he just writing. I was performing Umrah in Mecca last year. A girl, excellent. Yes, this one is number 1. Yeah, you mean that it's number 1. Excellent. Yeah, it is number 1. Very nice. Okay, let's continue. Next to me in Al-Haram. And we started a conversation. She mentioned some situations happened in the past. I found out that she had studied at the same school I studied and she was my best friend those days. I hadn't seen her 15 years since then. I call her almost every week. So I want you to write a paragraph about yourself. So I want you to choose one of them, this one or this one or this one. Maybe if you want to write a different story, I wanted a different story about this one, performing Umrah. It's up to you. Now we have to close our class, and I want you after that to take a paper or your notebook or something and try to write. This is the summary. Okay, we put strange coincidence, events in order according to the events and time. Tenses used in writing, chance meeting. For example, past progressive was where verb ing, simple past, and the past perfect had and past participle. The last thing, how to write a paragraph about chance meeting. So now I have to leave to give you the chance to write. So please, I want you to start writing after I finish the class. I'm really happy to be with you, and I hope I see you next time. Goodbye, everyone.